Come on. The moment is just over. So like Blight, the green one, he was like about to go sleep, and Petey, the one behind him, the blue one, he was like scratching the top of his head, and it was so cute. And here's Snowflake. So he likes playing with this monkey. Here, I want to show you something. This used to scare them. Oh, they're so cute. Love you. So the green one is not mine. Right? You're a boy, right? You're a boy, yes, you are. Yeah, he's a boy. So the two boys, I think they're gay. So like, this one is not mine. This one is, yeah. This one is mine. And this one is mine. And this one is mine. But this one is my cousin's. Alright. So cute. I know. So cute. Gotta be careful, Petey. Do they have a lot of food? Dang. Look at all this. All of this was done. Look at their food. It kind of looks like Petey. Kind of looks like Blight, but doesn't have the black wings. Look how much food they had. See, they love lettuce. Red seeds. Poop they have. Right? A lot of poop, right? Oh, okay? That's the first time I ever touched it. They love lettuce. Well, not they. I mean her, the minigun. So I call her. So I call her minigun because she can like make a hole in a big piece of lettuce in like 1 minute. So cute. All right, look. So this is chum. I don't know why a lot of people why the people in SpongeBob don't like it. It's actually really good. Look, okay, I'm gonna say if it's good. Really good. So good with eggs and like maybe tortilla. Yeah, and I can speak Spanish, by the way. I'm actually Spanish. Oh, it's Spanish. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be the end of this vlog. Tell me if you want more vlogs. Especially, I might do a live stream on these cuties. Oh, so cute. So cute, my babies. My babies. What? Oh my. Oh, we got the perfect song for being cute. Oh, like, goodbye.